Pikin wey get plan to go Bible school no dey follow Naira Marley waka o. E get why. Person wey no gree use face mask, you go hard to convince am to use condom o.
See, let me tell you, if you are a boy, you don't get money, avoid guests, especially fair guests. Waiting me, wait, you go feed me. Wait. You went and done that for 2 years, and I never go to climb for Facebook, and then wait, God will punish you. See, and you know the boys don't get money, they get choice. Now they get a chance, they don't even get cash. You get money. Nonsense people. They will not ask you every day, have you eaten, have you eaten? Your mama will tell you. You just don't like that message again. Send a text. Like now, me, if I want to send my babe text, I will send her, maybe without you now, she will say wrong again. I'll say, uncle. So I go to Port last week. VC close your ear. Man, they look this side of them. Before you know, you go say I'm a worldly commenter. Let me look worldly people. AJ, I go to Port Harcourt. You know, say for Casablanca, you get 1 year where you go for there. When you carry 2018, your wife day here, not joke. So they're going to make man say, Port Harcourt girls, they get soundtrack, they get soundtrack. I say, call you in the Guana. You know, I get one girl for I came from when I was in the world, that before I get my life to Christ. 2017. I meet this girl. Soundtrack when you dey follow Port Harcourt, they do I came from as I enter the girl said, I'm come. I'm just like rugged. I don't know when I join court. Please put your hands together for the Uruguay guests. The Uruguay guests, put your hands together for them. Put your hands together and respect the Uruguay guests. True? Wait till beyond this one, they talk now, they look me like I don't know what they talk. The Uruguay guests are very nice people. They can never be stranded anywhere. Go Lagos, if you carry girl, if the girl, you are an agreed terms and conditions, you reach chance, you won't carry the girl play. She go just call her, Uber guy, let me come and Uber guy. Titus, where are you? I'm a making face man, come and carry me. You know, go girl, they don't even get your time. As you did, when I don't bargain for 64 finish, she reach us. She dey tell you say, now 25K, they tell her say now 20K again. You want to carry me play, I think, man, come and get guy. Oh, they get guy, you man, come and get guy. They get like 4 at each location. You just stay there. Alpha. I better come up, the guy dey craze. The guy dey craze. Come carry me go another location.
Pikin wey get plan to go Bible school no dey follow Naira Marley waka o. E get why. Person wey no gree use face mask, you go hard to convince am to use condom o. E get why. You no understand. That's what's up. Person wey borrow shoe go party no dey dance anyhow. Need to remember the owner. Who they push, no they select toilet to. Anyone where they show you they okay. Hey God, nothing will never happen this year. As well they kidnap DPO for Enugu. DPO will get gone. Then kidnap DPO. Now vigilante now go rescue.
My brother, leave all this the way they do. Don't be everybody they scratch me DJ, some of them get infection. You know say when they take thief for abroad. No, say they take thief for Nigeria. For abroad, if you be a thief, listen to this joke. It go help you. To help you. I know what I'm saying. My brother, yo. For abroad, thief get pride. For abroad, not thief go enter person make a thief bread. They go. Now the guy and say, Joe, you're not paying for the bread, man. See where thief they shout. Damn it. I'm paying for no bread, nigga. The guy said, I'm paying for no bread, nigga. The guy that is make a guy that say, how come I don't want to pay for bread? He said the US government gave you the flour for free. How come I gonna pay for bread? Tell me, bro. Me? Now the guy gonna say, I call cops. He said, call cops, nigga. He said, if you talk more, I take some bread on pizza. Wow. The guy will carry the bread, go. Nothing happened to him. Now one guy for DOB enter Calabar woman shop. Thief bread, they go. The woman tell us, my pikin, you never give me money. Oh. So I'm paying for no bread, nigga. The woman tell my pikin do it sweet. He said we talk more. I take some granite. The woman tell us my pikin. They say fly when they hear now for gravy the handle. It is on a play. Carry bread and go. 2 weeks later, they lap this guy for. And Bella don't big pass in hair. Now then they beg now the mama they speak now say how don't forgive man. Shit. They tell you.
Obunabali, different things they happen. Which day we just gather last week Saturday for Obunabali there. Tax force just come. Scatter one old man shrine. Waiting happen. They say make the man red shop. I they tell you very annoying things they happen. Around the first time why they first get admission for UST. First day why they go lecture. And we are yellow and black. Now you don't they pity me now, be? Enter school yellow and black for that engineering side. Then call me. They say, boy, lap. I waka go meet them. They say, who you be? I say, bros, I don't be anybody. They say, who goes you? I say, I never go anywhere. I done around since. They say, they know they wear yellow and black for this school. I say, no, I go change them. The next day, they come. I wear white and black. I enter school for the engineering. Then call me. They say, boy, who goes you? I still tell them, I not go anywhere. I stay here since. They saw they know they wear white and black for the school. I say, no, wala. The next day with anger, naked go school. What it shocked me, even as a naked enter school, person still call me. He say, where you boy lap? I say, bros, I'm naked now. He say, shut up. You know, say the flag color. Why your eye they red, your body black? Talking about things where they happen for the country, which day we just sit down for yard. One guy just smoke it go. As he smoke it go, he just run. A mango tree. From up, he jumped down. We asked him, waiting happen. He said, I don't ripe.
I beg clap for Akwa Ibom people. If Akwa Ibom man remix your song, it go shock you. This, I don't know who sing the song. At the pass for road, I hear one Akwa Ibom man, they sing this song. Oh, carry me on. Carry the other. Who fight for me on? When song fight for the other. This last line, 9 pay me pass. Jesus, you don't use me play. Oh. We can't drop this one. I put you in front of my misery song. Yaroran matazong. I will do for room. You run Jesus. I beg clap for Akwa Ibom people.